Hello. Welcome to John Electrical Solution. Today, we are going to learn how to design a simple flashing LED circuit using Proteus. First, open up your Proteus software. Once Proteus is open, we will start by creating a new project. Click on New Project and give it a name. Let's call it LED Flashing Circuit Design. For my case, I am leaving the landscape to A4. You can change it basing on your design. Click Next and then Finish. Now we are in the schematic capture mode. Here, we will add the components needed for our flashing LED circuit. We will need a triple timer IC, a couple of resistors, capacitors, and a power source. Let's start by placing the power source. Go to the component mode and type battery in the search bar and place it on the workspace. Now, let's go ahead and add the resistor, triple timer IC, capacitor, and the LED. Let's go ahead and put the components on the workspace. We will start by wiring the triple timer IC. Connect positive of the supply to pin 8 of the triple timer IC. Connect pin 4 to the positive as well. Now connect pin 8 to resistor 1. From resistor 1, connect it to resistor 2. From resistor 2, you can go ahead and connect it to capacitor 2. Connect the output pin 3 of the IC to resistor 3. From resistor 3, connect it to the positive leg of the LED. Connect pin 7 in between resistor 1 and resistor 2. Join pin 2 to pin 6, then connect it in between resistor 2 and capacitor 2. Connect capacitor 1 to pin 5 of the IC. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to the negative of capacitor 1. From the negative of capacitor 1 to the negative of capacitor 2. Connect pin 1 of the IC to ground. Then connect the negative from the capacitor 2 to the LED. Now that our circuit is wired, we need to set the values for our components. Double-click or right-click on each components and go to Edit Properties. For this tutorial, we will use 12 volts for the supply, 1 kilo ohms for resistor 1, 10 kilo ohms for resistor 2, 1 kilo ohms for resistor 3, 0.01 microfarads for capacitor 1 and 100 microfarads for capacitor 2. With everything in place, it's time to carry out simulation. Click on the play button to start the simulation. If everything is connected correctly, you should see the LED start to flash. And there you have it. You have successfully designed and simulated a flashing LED circuit using Proteus. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to design a flashing LED using Proteus. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Kinjon Electrical Solution for more awesome contents.